In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure Schema in Yoast SEO. We'll be doing this directly inside your WordPress dashboard, and the goal is to make sure your site's structured data is set up correctly. This helps search engines better understand who you are, what your website represents, and how your content should be categorized. First, go to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're in the admin area, look for Yoast SEO in the left-hand menu and click on it. From there, open the settings area. This is where Yoast keeps the main configuration options for your site's SEO features, including schema-related settings. Next, click on Site Representation. This section is important because it tells search engines whether your website represents an organization or a person. Choose the option that best matches your site. If your site is for a business, brand, company, or publication, select organization. If the website is built around an individual, such as a personal brand, consultant, or creator, choose person. After that, enter the official organization name or person name exactly as you want it associated with the site. You'll also want to upload a high-resolution logo. This image can help reinforce your site identity in structured data, so it's best to use a clean, professional version rather than a low-quality or cropped image. At the bottom of this same section, add links to your official social media profiles. This helps connect those accounts to your website identity and gives search engines more confidence about the relationship between your site and your public profiles. Make sure you only include official accounts that you actively manage. Once that's done, scroll to the Content Types menu. Here, you can choose whether you want to adjust settings for posts or pages. Select the content type you want to configure, then scroll down until you reach the schema section. This is where you can modify the default page type or article type for that content type. These defaults help define how Yoast labels your content in structured data. Choose the option that most accurately reflects the purpose of your posts or pages, so search engines receive the clearest possible context. When you're finished making those updates, click Save Changes. That's the final step, and it ensures your schema settings are applied. And that's how to configure schema in Yoast SEO. If you're updating a live site, it's a good idea to review these settings carefully before saving so your site representation and content classifications stay consistent across your SEO setup.